Hi, this is your Salina Media Connection News Desk. I'm Cerise Maddock. Thanks for joining us. There's going to be a special public meeting for the County Commission to hear recommendations from the Saline County Health Department about COVID-19. That's going to be on Friday at 3 p.m. It's at the City County Building, room 107. It's for commissioners to consider, again, proposals and additional restrictions to combat COVID-19. Jason Tiller, the County Health Public Officer, is presenting the information. This meeting is recorded by Access TV. You can watch it live on Channel 20 that afternoon, Friday afternoon at 3 p.m. The Saline County Health Department is asking for the public's help. It's dealing with several positive COVID-19 clusters related to a number of different events. A cluster that started at Buffalo Wild Wings at 2580 South 9th is a problem. The health department has not been able to trace the cluster back to a single contact. Dates and times are uncertain. The department says if you develop symptoms around that time period and place, to contact your doctor to get tested. Health department staff is working through several clusters of positive cases, and they expect to continue doing so, but while they do, they want to have the public's patience. The Saline County Canvassing Board and those counting are doing the job defined by county and state statute as part of each election process. It's a system open to the public, but many aren't even aware that it's going on. Most times, the canvass won't affect the outcome of the election. Nonetheless, it's what Saline County, as well as the state of Kansas and other states and counties, are doing across the country. With presidential disputes this year, counts like these have received more than their usual share of attention. A recap of the canvassing board and the official counts from Saline County will be included in a future set of Saline County Commission minutes. OCCK Transportation is discontinuing City Go peak routes. The other routes will remain the same. That is effective immediately and will be continuing until further notice. Regular routes, as I said, will run as usual, and City Go bus rides are still free. Passengers will be required to wear masks and observe social distancing requirements. Additional buses may be dispatched if needed. All other transportation options will continue as normally scheduled. Salina USD 305 is setting additional limits for spectators at athletic events, and it's not because things are going south with COVID. Salina USD's schools say their safety precautions concerning COVID are working, and they want to keep it that way. The vast majority of cases are traced back to community contact, not transmission in schools. Event guidelines now include no visiting fans, no tickets sold at the door, and each student participant can only purchase 2 tickets. Since September 3rd, a total of 101 students have been listed as having COVID in Salina USD 305. And your weather from the National Weather Service. Mostly clear it was today. It's going to drop down to 45 degrees tonight. Windy, and that sets the tone for a wind advisory. Wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. in our central Kansas area tomorrow. Again, that wind advisory is until 6 p.m. At the same time, there will be extreme grassland fire danger. Both of those advisories are running from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow. Winds with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Relative humidity as low as 28%. Any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly and become very difficult to control. Outside burning is not recommended. Otherwise sunny, and it's going to be a high of 74. Wednesday night, mostly clear, low in the lower 50s, with those winds up to 30 miles per hour. On Thursday, sunny, high in the mid-70s. Southwest winds dying down a bit at only 10 to 20 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. It's going to be a low of 50 degrees, And then on Friday, partly sunny, a high of 65 expected. And Friday night, mostly cloudy. We're going to have a chance of some moisture, a 40% chance of rain after midnight, a nice low cool of 46 degrees. And then on into Saturday and Saturday night, it's supposed to be cooler with the possibility of rain as well. That's your Salina Media Connection News Desk. I'm Cerise Maddock. Have a nice evening.